Today in this video, we will learn about how to change ownership of multiple accounts in WHM root. For that, log into WHM root and then go to Resellers section. Now here, go to change ownership of multiple accounts. Now select a reseller and then click on submit. Now select and tick mark single or multiple domain names for selecting of whose you would like to change the owner. Once you have selected multiple accounts to change the ownership, click on change owner. Now here, the ownership of all the selected accounts has been modified now.